The zingy goodness of Zazoony juice comes from the Zazoony moss we grow right here in our fields. We can only grow it on this island because it grows so fast. Watch.
That is fast.
The Zazoony moss is scooped up and then dropped into the juicer. It squishes and stretches the moss and then twists it to squeeze all the juice out.
Amazing.
Is it Zazoony juice yet?
Almost.
Almost.
And there it is, freshly squeezed Zazoony juice. Enjoy.
Perfect.
Take as many as you like for your nibble and sipper thing.
Wow. Thanks, Farmer Mosser.
Anytime. Bye-bye now.
Excuse me.